What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And this is probably the most requested video, the most asked about video that I'm about to do is how is my garage floor holding up now that it's been down for almost 8 months or something like that. The last time I put it down was like, I think September of last year. Now we in June of this year. This is June 1st, you guys. So I'm gonna release this video today. Well, not today. Might do it tomorrow. However, I release the video, but it will be quick as possible because y'all want to know how the floor is. So let me tell y'all how the floor is going. So I have to say, if you do heavy work, I explained this before. If you do heavy work, as you can see, you see oil spills, right? Yes. So my shop is a workshop, you guys. People come to my house, and this is the dominant spot to change your oil. This is the spot right here. Everybody needs to change their oil. Everybody comes here to change their oil. Okay. Whenever you need work done on your car, this is where everybody comes to my garage. Okay. Now I don't mind that. I don't mind. Not complaining. I'm just saying that to say this again. If you do heavy work in your garage, don't get the BEHR Granite Grip. Just don't get it, okay? You see, I have oil spills and I have paint chips right here. Now, I think this is because it didn't adhere well on this spot. I'm gonna turn the camera around so I can show y'all. So this is two spots that I have to redo. I have to redo these two spots right here. All right, I have another spot, but something dropped there a little while. You see that? That spot right there. I'll show y'all that later. But this is major oil spills right here. Oil spills, oil spill, oil spill. And you can see the tire marks. Okay. Now, I did not clean the floor yet. I will be cleaning the floor soon because I want to re-spray all of this. I want to redo it because now I'm going to put something down like they have some cool like pads to put down, so I will be reviewing that later. I'm not going to do that right now, but it's holding up. It's holding up very well, you guys. Do I regret it? No, I don't regret it because I still like the feel of it. Okay. So when I'm in my little corner back there, whenever it gets cleaned, when I'm in my corner back there, it feels comfortable. That's my corner where I chill out at and, look at my computer and do research and all of that whenever I need to research something. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more. All right, you guys, now y'all can see it in 1080p. So this is the main spot that my wife parks in right here. She parks on this side. And as you can see, this side is where, this is the dominant side over here, all right? So after she leaves and she goes to work, somebody might come here, do their oil change. That big oil spot right there, that was from my dad. He changed oil in his Toyota, and that oil pan back there, all the way back there, that oil pan, it was filled, all right, or something happened to where when he took the nut off to drain his oil, it spilled all through here. But if you have any oil spills or anything like that, you guys, get yourself some kitty litter. All right. Purchase some kitty litter and it comes up very well. All right. Or more oil spills and stuff like that. Tire marks. You can see the tire marks. I haven't cleaned it, so maybe it'll come off during the clean. If you don't work in your garage, if you use your garage as another living space, that's perfect, you guys. All right. This granite grip will be perfect. If you use your garage as a workshop, go ahead and just get the epoxy. Epoxy cleans very well. I was just trying this to try it, but I know somebody that has a epoxy garage floor and everything works out well. All right. Now, here goes the little chips right here. As you can see, I think this is from paint. So what I'm gonna do is chip up what I can chip. All right. And then I will repaint over top of this. So this will be a little mini project for me. All right. So this is something that I'm not worried about. Actually, I didn't even know the paint would be like that because the old floor is right there. So if I ever want to take this floor apart, it will be easy. I thought it would be hard, but yeah, so I can just leave it like that and do a couple of coats on top, blend it in, and it will be well. I might do a video showing y'all that as well. So a chip there, and then I have this chip here. Now a hammer dropped on this and chipped, so I just kept pulling it. So everything is good now. All right, but a hammer dropped right there and chipped it. So that's it, you guys. All right. That's the story of my life with this garage floor, the BEHR paint. Again, once again, I'm gonna say it again, you guys. If you do work in your garage, just go ahead and get the epoxy. Okay, get the epoxy. I was going to get the black epoxy, but I wanted to try something different, and I still like it. It's just that it don't do well with stains. Again, I did not clean this. I don't know how to clean this floor yet. I might use regular garage floor cleaner and try it out and see how it works. Do some videos on that to clean it up. But that will be it, you guys. So that's just a little update. It's almost been a year now, so September it will be a year. So that's the update right there. And for the people that ask about this update on the floor, I will tag them the video so they can see the floor update. But that will be it, you guys. I will be repatching. I will respray the whole thing, and I'm gonna put a protector down. And that will be it. Light spray. It don't need no heavy spray like I did before. I don't think it needs 3 coats. I think one good nice coat will be good right here. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.